guys! I don't really know how to start this new vlog, but I just moved to Amsterdam 2 days ago, and I was like, why not vlog the process, since I was getting so much questions on Instagram and people wanted me to film everything. So it's Tuesday and I'm picking up the camera, and hopefully I will try to vlog this week, and maybe now I will be putting one vlog per week. I will kind of change the type of content I will be doing, because I prefer to do vlogs actually, but since now there is all these changes in my life, I think it was a good time for me to start filming it. And maybe if you're looking to move to Amsterdam, this will be a good video for you. So what I'm doing, so today is Tuesday, so as I said, I moved here like Sunday, and I actually moved here by myself on Sunday, as I was supposed to start work on Monday, and Luca, so my partner, will be joining me on Saturday. So actually I will be back in Geneva Thursday, and then we will be doing the big move, meaning we will pick up the boxes and the truck, and then we will do the big road to Amsterdam, so from Geneva to Amsterdam, which will be about, I think, around maybe 10 to 12 hours. I rather say 15 hours because we have to stop a lot, and most likely Luca will be driving the whole way, so I'll say 15 hours, but I'll update you when we arrive on how many hours it took us. So we will do that Saturday. So the big move will be actually Saturday. So right now I'm in the new flat, but there is no furniture at all. Actually, I received my couch yesterday, so this is my only furniture. I also have like a hair mattress, which is comfortable. You have to actually pump it every day if you want it to be hard enough, but then it's comfortable, it's fine. So I wanted to do also a empty apartment tour, but of course it's not that empty yet, so maybe if you want I will show you around. I actually have a meeting in a few, so let me do this very quickly. So when you arrive, you have here the entrance. So it's a small entrance, like as you can see, like that, and then you go here and you have the living and the kitchen. So I will just do that. So as you can see, you have a very big open space here with very big windows. So here we plan on having the couch. We kind of sold all our furnitures because we have less space here than we have back in Geneva. So we sold our couch, so we have a new one. This one is from West Wing. I will link it below. This is the only thing I bring with me. It's an old tabouret. I don't know how you say that in English, but it's gross. Don't look at it. And then you go here and you have a big balcony here. And then you have the kitchen, which is very empty at the moment. The only thing I have is a boiler because I can't live without my tea. So this is the kitchen. So it has everything in there. So we have a dishwasher, a great sink. We have this, that, we have a oven, so I think it's also a microwave or something like that here, and we have a fridge which is empty, as you can see, and the only downfall is that it's a very small fridge and we don't have that much freezer storage. And here we have the space where we will be having the dining area. So I'm supposed to receive the furniture, so the tables and the chairs today. So I might show you that after. And here the best is the view on the canals, which is so nice. We have a very nice views here and I really love it. So as you can see here, then we go back to the corridor, and here we have a small toilet, which is great. And then you go here and here you have a storage room, if I can say so, where you can also put the laundry machines here. And it's a very big space actually, which is very good, as you can see. Then you go back here. And then here you have the main bedroom. So the only thing here is that we don't have any like straight walls. They are all like weird walls and weird angles. So here, this is the main bedroom, as you can see, with the same flooring as everywhere, which I really loved. And this is my hair mattress. So this mattress is from Intex. I bought it on Amazon, and I will link it below because I received a lot of questions about it on Instagram as well. So yeah, this is my bed until Thursday, before I put my bed. So yeah, so that's for the room. And then here, so sorry for the mess, here will be the office room. So I think we will be having our desks here, and then here we might have the dressing area, and that's how it looks from here. Again, sorry for the mess. And then you have the same view here as well, which is very good. Then you have the bathroom, but I'm not gonna show it today because it's a very big mess. Okay, so I'm back home. I'm so tired because I went picking up our chairs, which are there, still need to be unpacked. But so we have made the decisions to not buy a car here, so we want to do everything by bike, which means that when you have furniture that are delivered away from your home, you have to take a Uber or rent a car. And so I had to rent a Uber and do this all by myself. So now I will be unpacking them. I'm so tired right now. So it's the next day and I'm on my way to work. Also, as I said, I won't be back in Geneva tonight, because for 2 nights actually, because I have to move everything. So the next 2 days will be very, very busy. But today I will spend the day at the office, and then since my office is quite close to the airport, I will just be going there around 5:30-ish to take my flight. Hey guys, so it's Monday. So we just moved in the apartment during the weekend. I didn't get the chance to vlog that much, especially since we had so much to do, and I actually don't know how people do moving vlogs because it's so much to do. We had to unpack everything. So as I said, we kind of unboxed yesterday. So the living room is looking quite nice now, but just look at the balcony here with all the boxes and everything. And we're still waiting on our TV stand that should arrive today, I think. And yeah, that's how we did it so far. I think I will be doing a separate video of the house when we will be settled in. And as you can see, I'm in the office now and it's still a big mess. So I hope this vlog would have been great. I'm not sure it's the best one, but I think it will be a good way to start vlogging here. So I think I will be ending the vlog here so that I can maybe have it up on Wednesday. And maybe I will do weekly vlogs that I will post every Sunday or so. So yeah, I will just wrap this one here now and I will just pick a new one just right after. So thank you guys for watching and I see you in the next video. Bye! That I don't wanna be